Hey, welcome back to Algebra 2 Easy. We are going to find the inverse of this function. First thing I did was get rid of the f of x and replace it with y. So I have y equals x minus 2 over x plus 3. Now I need to switch all of my x's to y's and my y's to x's. So that's what you see happening here. I have x equals y minus 2 over y minus 3. Now, I need to get rid of the y minus 3 in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by y minus 3. So I get x times y minus 3 equals y minus 2. And now I don't have to worry about a y variable being in the denominator of a fraction. Now I can distribute my x to everything in the set of parentheses, and that's going to give me xy minus 3x, and all of that is equal to the y minus 2. Now, this is usually where people have a hard time. Your job is to solve for y, and now you have two y variables. So what we're going to do first is get all the y variables on one side of the equation, and anything that doesn't have a y to the other side of the equation. So that negative 3x is going to need to move. So I'm going to subtract y on both sides, and I can add the 3x to both sides of the equation. This will move everything where I need it to be. So now I'm going to have xy minus y equals 3x minus 2. So remember, your job is to solve for y. You have xy minus y. You need to only have one y variable. So to do that, we're going to factor a y out of that binomial, and that leaves me with x minus 1. And now, to solve for y, I can divide both sides by the x minus 1. So I have y equals 3x minus 2 all over x minus 1. And you're almost there. You have to remember that the original problem was f of x, so our final answer is f inverse of x equals 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. And that's your final answer. I hope this helps, and be sure to check back later for more.